I think it's a good idea.
I think it's a good idea.
She thinks deeply.
She thinks deeply.
What do you think?
What do you think?
They think differently.
They think differently.
I take a shower every morning.
I take a shower every morning.
She takes pictures.
She takes pictures.
We take the bus to work.
We take the bus to work.
I see the stars at night.
I see the stars at night.
She sees her friends often.
She sees her friends often.
Do you see the bird?
Do you see the bird?
I come from Canada.
I come from Canada.
She comes to the party.
She comes to the party.
They come early in the morning.
They come early in the morning.
I make breakfast every morning.
I make breakfast every morning.
She makes a cake.
She makes a cake.
We make plans for vacation.
We make plans for vacation.
I know the answer.
I know the answer.
She knows him well.
She knows him well.
Do you know the way?
Do you know the way?
I want a new phone.
I want a new phone.
She wants to travel.
She wants to travel.
Do you want some tea?
Do you want some tea?
I look at the sky.
I look at the sky.
She looks happy.
She looks happy.
Look at this picture.
Look at this picture.
I use a computer.
I use a computer.
She uses her phone a lot.
She uses her phone a lot.
Can I use your pen?
Can I use your pen?
They use public transport.
They use public transport.
I find my keys.
I find my keys.
She finds it easy.
She finds it easy.
Can you find the book?
Can you find the book?
I give her a gift.
I give her a gift.
She gives good advice.
She gives good advice.
Please give me a call.
Please give me a call.
I tell the truth.
I tell the truth.
She tells a story.
She tells a story.
Can you tell me?
Can you tell me?
They tell jokes often.
They tell jokes often.
I work from home.
I work from home.
She works in a bank.
She works in a bank.
We work together.
We work together.
They work hard every day.
They work hard every day.
I call my friend.
I call my friend.
She calls her mother.
She calls her mother.
Can you call me later?
Can you call me later?
They call the restaurant often.
They call the restaurant often.
I try to exercise.
I try to exercise.
She tries new food.
She tries new food.
Will you try this dress?
Will you try this dress?
They try their best.
They try their best.
I ask questions in class.
I ask questions in class.
She asks for help.
She asks for help.
Can I ask you something?
Can I ask you something?
They ask many questions.
They ask many questions.
I need some water.
I need some water.
She needs a break.
She needs a break.
Do you need assistance?
Do you need assistance?
They need more time.
They need more time.
I feel happy.
I feel happy.
She feels cold.
She feels cold.
How do you feel?
How do you feel?
They feel excited.
They feel excited.
I become a teacher.
I become a teacher.
She becomes famous.
She becomes famous.
It becomes dark early.
It becomes dark early.
They become friends.
They become friends.
I leave at 6 o'clock.
I leave at 6 o'clock.
She leaves the office.
She leaves the office.
When will you leave?
When will you leave?
I put the book on the table.
I put the book on the table.
She puts on makeup.
She puts on makeup.
Please put your phone away.
Please put your phone away.
They put effort into the work.
They put effort into the work.
What does this word mean?
What does this word mean?
I mean, no harm.
I mean, no harm.
She means to help.
She means to help.
I keep my Room clean.
I keep my room clean.
She keeps. In touch.
She keeps in touch.
Please keeps quiet.
Please keeps quiet.
They keep their promises.
They keep their promises.
I begin my day with coffee.
I begin my day with coffee.
She begins school at night.
She begins school at night.
When will you begin?
When will you begin?
They begin the meeting now.
They begin the meeting now.
It seems easy.
It seems easy.
She seems tired.
She seems tired.
They seem happy.
They seem happy.
This seems right.
This seems right.
I help my parents.
I help my parents.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
They help each other.
They help each other.
I talk to my friend.
I talk to my friend.
She talks loudly.
She talks loudly.
Let's talk later.
Let's talk later.
They talk every day.
They talk every day.
I turn off the light.
I turn off the light.
She turns left.
She turns left.
They turn music up.
They turn music up.
I start work at 9.
I start work at 9.
When will you start?
When will you start?
I show my photo.
I show my photo.
She shows her art.
She shows her art.
Can you show me?
Can you show me?